Ho, ho, ho. Hi, everybody. You're probably saying, what the heck is Donna thinking? What is she thinking? Santa, a gift, another gift. Well, tomorrow is July 1st, and Christmas in July has begun. I am in a collab with so many wonderful, talented, creative girls, and it's hosted by Helen Lewis. All Helen asked is that we do a Christmas themed video once a week, uploading every Friday. It could be cooking, it could be crafts, it could be anything, pictures, drawings, just something creative for Christmas. So desserts, your favorite dessert, your favorite thing that you make for Christmas. So that's why it's so important that you check out all the links below, because I have a feeling that every single one of these girls is going to bring something different to the table. And you know what? A couple of us, such as myself, who procrastinate, it might not be such a bad idea to start doing some Christmas gifts in July. So, like I said, Christmas in July collab, hosted by Helen Lewis. I'm gonna upload something Christmas on Fridays for the next 4 weeks. So on the 6th, the 13th, the 20th, and the 27th, look for those videos. And you never know, you might see this handsome guy in one of them. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Happy July. Ho, ho, ho. See you later. Oh, see you real soon.